weird.
Oh, this is really weird. You ready? Let's do it. Oh, we're on the shallow slip.
Why are there no seatbelts?
Er stond aan mijn groin, maar ik wil niet achter hem.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god.
I'm on the Six Flags America.
Ja, ja, right.
Whoa. Whoa.
Dat was er mee, draai.
Oh no!
Oh, what? Oh, oh. Okay.
Dat valt dan niet. Maar straks.
I don't really know what it's doing.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh, just a little bit of ass wet.
That was really interesting.
Nee, we moeten wat de les en ik ben bang van het. Ja, we hebben het anders. Ah, dat is nog speciale.
Moet op je buurt.
Oh nee, niet hier achter.
Whoa. Whoa. How does this all work?
I don't want to know.
Whoa.
This is like the most moving part. It's like on a ride.
Yeah, this is wild.
Nee, ik ga tieren, nee.
Oh.
Can I go down backwards?
Oh, here we go. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'm soaked. I got hit. Is it over? I'm soaked.
We didn't even know it was gonna happen.
Covered in it.
I'm pretty good. I'm not that wet.
Elevator. Whoa. Why doesn't Popeyes do that?